Right now it's in the down position. You can see that it's tight. Bring that up. Belt comes loose. Get a hold of it. Normally you don't take a belt off, usually it breaks. Anyway, that's how you're going to do that. And just push it back on. So get that set up where you want. Come back over here and flip that down. Tightens up. It's got a jog button. Turn the selector. Make sure it stays where you want it to stay. Done. It's best to check them every time. Why, I don't know.